Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. And maayong buntag sa tanan. Sa tanan na mga Bisaya, everyone. And today is Friday. Wow. 11th of July. So thank God it's Friday. TGIF, everyone. And time check is 4:09. Ayan, everyone. And the weather is 18. Oh, at this moment, 18. And then later, after lunch, I think it's getting 28, 29, something like that. Oh my Jesus, thank God it's Friday. Yeah. And yan, everyone, let's have a 15 minutes walk going to my bus station and then one bus, everyone. So hindi OOTD of the day, summer. So ayan, everyone, ang pasulyat ko sa inyo while I'm walking because I'm alone here. Alone here. Alone in the road, everyone. So, see you when I see you. See you when I see you. 9:14, everyone. Nako, na-late ako ng labas. So, 14 minutes na nakaraan. Kasi, 5 kami na nag-sign in pa ng toolbox. So, discuss, and then, ayun. Kaya, mga manual handling, and so on and so forth, regarding sa work. So, yung team leader, nag-conduct ng meeting sa amin. Ilan kami? 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 kami. So, that's it. At the moment, I'm gonna take the train again because it's easy. So, ayun, dito tayo sa center aisle because of para walang kaagaw sa daan. Naiwan ka! Ha? Friday naman na anyway. Yun, yung colleague ko, yun yung nag-sign in na kasama ko. Naiwan ng bus, yun ang bus niya. 360. Anyway, it's Friday, so final words. Pero may anyway, may pasok pa naman sila. Yan yung mga kasamahan ko dati sa overtime ng Saturday or Sunday, everyone. So that's it, and see you after 2 trains, everyone. Bye. No lakwat siya ngayon. I'm tired yesterday, so I need to rest for tonight work. That's it, everyone. Bye and see you again later. At the moment, let's wait for how many minutes? 2 minutes. Going to Wembley Park.
Saturday for the travel by Westminster Station on the Bakerloo line, there's severe delays. Tickets are being accepted on London buses. Good service for the rest of the line.
Hey, just arrived here, everyone, at Bulliston Green Station. Not in service on 2 minutes. Meron na naman. Stanmore. So, 9:58 everyone. Early ako ngayon. Early pa rin ako everyone. Too tight in the time. Whoa, it's so hot. Sorry. It's hot. Baby. 460. On the other side, no bus. So, yan again, everyone. I'm done my morning work. So, later again for the afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Grabe, 15:24, 30 degrees. It burns. Grabe. Nakakatakot. Tingnan nyo yung itsura ko kasi pag pakita ko sa ayan ang ginawa ko. Binaliktad ko yung jacket ko kasi para ma-cover lang yung mga braso ko. Tapos ito namang face ko. Ang init. Kasi para hindi pawisan yung likod ko. Ayan. Pag sinuot ko kasi sa likod, mapapawisan. Tapos matutuyo. Naku, sama yan. So, ayan. Tiis lang hanggang dun sa train station. O, diba? Yan ang buhay ng UK. UK pa more. Ayan everyone, sobrang init dun sa kabila. Kaya dito ako nasa kabilang side. Dito kasi malilim konti. Di nakatawa. Grabe, ang sakit kasi ang hapdi. Ang hapdi sa Yeah. Ang hapdi sa balat. Sakit. Ayun lang everyone. See you later again. Time check everyone. 3:32. 3:32 everyone. And my train is already here. So 30 degrees everyone. My dear. Super init.
This station is Wilton Green.
Parang may
This train terminates at
parang may
Stratford.
ako sa loob. Ang init. Ayan everyone, kalalaro sa train. nakalagpas. So, mag-metropolitan ako sa Finchley. Wala na. Nakarating na ako ng Westminster. So, no choice. Mag-district line na lang. Okay. Ayan, everyone. Dito tayo sa Liverpool. Pwede rin. Pero, ano yan? Ayoko. Ano yan? Muna tayo. District line. Hello everyone, I am here at Tower Hill Station. Drop by here at the Donuts and Crepes. I miss the crepes. So I'm hungry. Since I'm hungry, I need to buy this one, everyone. At mamaya pa ako uuwi, alas 8. So kakain muna bago magtrabaho. Yun lang yun, everyone. Ayan everyone. Talagang hindi pwedeng di dadaan dito. Uwi na tayo. Dito tayo dadaan. Very busy ngayon ang Tower Hill. So, dito tayo dumaan sa may sa St. Patrick College. Yun o. So, daan tayo dito. Sa ating dating daan. Sa ating dating daan. This is the shortcut. The shortcut. Oh. Pops. Ita pops. So much calling si Bikas. My train is here already. So, nothing else, nothing more. Time check, it's 19:46 everyone. So, it's very hot. Sweating. All the parts of my body. Sweating. Oh. 29 degrees. Before it's 30 while I am working. Oh my god. So now it's 29. Okay. Ayan, good evening everyone. Unboxing tayo. Unboxing. Unboxing tayo ng sorry, it's neck fan. So, since dito sa UK ay super init, so kailangan natin ng ganyan. So, ayan, nagpa-order lang ako sa aking colleague sa morning. So, but, hindi siya ganun, okay lang, nagamit ko naman. Kaya lang kailangan meron kang power bank na baon para if ever maubos ang charge, so may maiilagay, makakapag-charge ka in everywhere at in anywhere, yung ganyan, as long as yung power bank mo ang full charge. So ayan, that's it at the moment. Ayan ang aking new toy, ang neck fan. Pero mas maganda pa rin yung ginamit ko noon sa Pilipinas na dala ni Hermana para kay nanay. Kasi ayaw naman ni nanay na bibigitan sa leeg. So ako yung gumamit. That's it everyone! Kain tayo everyone for dinner.